And we're still in the kitchen with Roni because we're making a delicious smoothie. We got blueberries and strawberries. And
it's a low carb milkshake is what it's called. And I've never had this. My daughter's watching the keto, doing the keto things. I got this and I'm thinking, why not try it with you guys? So Carol loves her blueberries.
Do love my blueberries.
So what you need to do is we need you to get a half a cup or a cup of blueberries.
Okay. Let me get. Do you like blueberries?
I don't mind blueberries. I'd rather have strawberries. And all it calls for is a cup of almond milk, a fourth of a cup of heavy whipping cream, and a half to a cup of frozen strawberries. But because Carol loves her blueberries, I got blueberries. Are you okay there? You're okay. Just cut it. You're fine.
These will. The point is, so we need we need scissors at work. Okay, half a cup of blueberries?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoopsie.
Or more.
Okay. There we
Put
go.
those on the bottom, and they're frozen.
Okay. And I love coconut milk.
I don't know if there's a top on that. Yeah, I figure there would be. And then just a little bit of heavy whipping cream. So you need a cup of that. You need a cup of that.
Cup of this.
Yep.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yes, I can.
Other
Just
side.
gotta hold it up. See, it's a lot. It's a right-handed person's world.
It is. It is.
1 cup of. Oh, look at that. Coconut. You could probably use almond milk too if you like almond milk.
Yeah.
That's going in here.
Yep. Well, it's a coconut almond. And then I need you to pour a fourth of a cup of heavy whipping cream.
Okay.
Please.
Yes, ma'am.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to open up my strawberries. And the heavy whipping cream, there's no carb. There's like 1 carb for the whole thing. There's hardly any. There's 1 carb for 6 servings there. So if you're watching your carbs, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, that looks delicious.
We'll see how this
already.
works.
Okay.
I mean, if you're on, you ready?
Yep, go. Go for it. Let it rip, sister. Oh, keep it.
Oh, baby.
Keep it going.
Doesn't that just look good?
Yes.
Okay, at this point, what you need to do is grab a spoon because it might be a little tart. So if you grab a spoon, you can add sugar, or if you're watching your carbohydrates, a little stevia. You find a spoon?
Stevia's good.
You can try it.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, now
because this is yours.
Oh, Roni.
Yes.
That's so nice of you.
Only nice on Mondays.
Perfect.
Is it? Does it need a little more?
That is really good.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
I love Coke. You could taste. I can taste. This just makes it richer.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Was this yours? Yep, this is yours.
Oh my goodness, that looks deliciosos.
Something healthy for your.
Roni, look at you go, girl.
Okay.
Now, how are you gonna make yours without?
Well, just
mine's
set
got
that down.
strawberries in
Oh,
it.
I'll just pour this.
Yeah. Do you like strawberries?
I love strawberries. I love fruit. So that makes for everybody's.
That is so good.
It makes 2 good servings of.
A little cup of fresh strawberries on there.
I mean, pretty simple. And the thing about the coconut milk and almond milk that I love.
Yes.
The shelf life on this is amazing.
I know it is. I've had mine for a long time, and it didn't go bad.
So looking for something refreshing for your kids.
Roni, that's good.
For this summer, something that they can pretty much, I think, make on their own.
Cheers. That is really good. Do you like it?
Yes. I think it'd be better with. I think you can mix strawberries.
You know, you could just mix strawberries in there, and you got a good taste. So, heavy whipping cream, coconut milk, and
that's
frozen.
It. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
And you need a good blender, and that's a good blender.
Yep, it's a smoothie maker.
Oh, it is.
Yes.
Specific.
Yep, that's supposed to be for smoothies.
Well, it
worked.
worked.
Off, but I use that. It's
I love
kind of like
it.
my KitchenAid that's still on the shelf at Target.
Is that where you left yours? I left mine there too.
Left it at Target.
Yeah. Very good. Thank you, Roni.
You're welcome.
Good summer stuff. We love it. We have a lot more coming up on NTV's Good Life. Stay with us. We'll be right back.